What's up, you guys? It's Eve here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and ringing that bell. It shows that you love me and you love my content, and I really appreciate it. Now, I'm going to be testing out a cleansing balm today. I picked my best long-lasting makeup on because I really want to test this out. And I've told you my favorites before, but a lot of you agree with me that you want to see it work on camera. You want to see it for yourself, and I don't blame you. If you're going to spend the money, you want to make sure it's going to work for you. Now, the one I'm going to be trying out today is by Glow Recipe, and I'm sure you all know it. It's the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. So here it is. I'll show you that I've actually used some of this, and in here you get 3.38 ounces for $32. Now, looking at the Sephora app, I had to even recalculate of how many ounces is in 100 milliliters, and on here they're saying 3.4, not 3.38, so I think they're a little off, so I'm going to go with my math of how much you get in 100 milliliters. The other thing that it's highlighted for is it's fragrance free. It's supposed to be hydrating. It's cruelty free. It's clean and plant positive. It's for all skin types. What else does it say? All right, some highlighted ingredients because I love my skincare. It's going to have papaya enzymes in it. And what that's going to do for you, it's supposed to smooth, resurface, and soothe your skin. It has papaya seed oil, which is supposed to keep your skin hydrated, and it has blueberry extract, and that's supposed to protect you against the environmental stressors, which it's a cleansing balm. You're gonna rinse it off, wash your face, so that I think is just a selling gimmick, but that's just my opinion. Now let's go ahead and try this out and see if this works. So what I always like to do is take my finger and get like that much. It's what I always do. Say goodbye to this pretty makeup. And I'm going to tell you if there's any stinging in my eyes, if I have any reaction on my face. And I really work the eyes because I put some heavy duty mascara on. Okay, I always love how that looks. So damn sexy. I remember one of my friends, I was reviewing a whole launch, and they were saying that the entire time they were looking at me, they were thinking, I'm Batman. And that made me laugh. If you were my friend that said that, make sure you say hi in the comments. And the other thing, I have about 20 cleansing balms. Tell me the next video you want me to do. What do you want me to test out? Because if I don't have it, I'll even buy it. Now I'm just taking it off with a wet rag. I'm sure you heard the water. And as you can see, it took everything. Now, I always wash my face. That's the biggest rule. I've heard people have reactions, things like that. And then I ask them, did you wash your face after using a cleansing balm? They say no. Please, if you listen to one thing in this video, after you use any cleansing balm, wash your face afterwards with a gentle cleanser. Now what I'm going to do, because I want to see how much makeup it took off, I'm going to take one of these wipes, cleansing wipes. I don't usually use this, but I want you to see. what comes off my face after using this. Like I said, all I do is just wash my face with a gentle cleanser. Really rub it around. And as you can see, very little came up. For having that long-lasting makeup on, that's incredible. I love it. The other thing I really like is you get an experience with this. So you get the scent with it. It feels incredible. I mean, I'm not even a papaya girl, and I love this. It smells incredible. And there's no added fragrance, so this is all natural, which is awesome. Now I'm just gonna grab my CeraVe foaming cleanser. So I always use my Tatcha, and I know you guys are probably sick of me just using that on camera. So wet this up. But I really mean it, guys. Tell me what cleansing balm that you want me to do next, because it was hard picking it out. I went over and went all the lists, and everybody picked a different number one on like Cosmo, Allure. And that's why I'm washing my face right now, because I want you to see me do it, because I don't want anybody to think they don't have to wash their face. Because would you ever take a cleanser like this, put it on your face, wipe it off, and then that's it? No, you would rinse it off with water. All right, guys. So as you can see, I'm in love with this. This is one of my favorites. I'm gonna keep rebuying this. You're not gonna be disappointed. I mean, and it's not even a crazy scented, so if you don't like heavy fragrance, you will not be deterred by this. It's a very light, fruity smell. It is just delicious. And I like something. I don't mind a scent to my products because I think that adds to the experience you get. It's relaxing to sit there and moisturize this into your skin, rub it in, and you get the experience of it. So that's something you're paying for as well. So this gets 2 thumbs up for me. Absolutely love it. I can't wait to see what you want me to use next. I'm looking forward to it. It just surprises me what you guys pick out. I'm like, well, I didn't expect that. You make this job much easier by doing that. Now you know what time it is. It is fur baby time, because I need to get some skincare on this face before I start cracking, because I have super dry skin. Here she is, and she's still doing amazing. This is Miss Sugar Bear. Yes, do you like my face too? I look forward to seeing you in my next video. It's probably going to be an unboxing. I don't know which one's going to get here first, because tracking's not telling me anything. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next one. Love you to pieces. Bye.